We would also like to ask Senator Judge Pia Cayetano and Senator Judge Alan Cayetano to simply tell the Filipino people, especially those that have seen this spliced video, kung ano yung katotohanan. We respect every member of the Senate Impeachment Court, including Senator Judge Pia Cayetano, and we recognize that everyone is entitled to express their own views, lalo na dito sa mainit na usapin ng impeachment. However, we also hope that discussions regarding the impeachment proceedings are presented in a manner that gives the Filipino people the complete and accurate context. Ang impeachment trial ay hindi dapat husgahan batay sa ilang segundo ng video o sa mga putol-putol na bahagi nito. Mas mahalaga na makita ng buong publiko kung ano ang kabuuan ng proceedings upang sila mismo makabuo ng kanilang opinyon at patas at tamang pangunawa dito sa mga videos na ito, dito sa nangyayaring ito. As public officials, we all share the responsibility of strengthening, not weakening public confidence in our institutions. The best way to achieve that is to encourage the public to watch the proceedings in their entirety rather than rely solely on excerpts. Kaya nga, pinapanawagan namin na sa ating mga kababayan na subaybayan po itong impeachment trial na ito dahil dito po natin maiiwasan ang pagkalat ng fake news. This proceedings is bigger than any individual. It is about preserving the integrity of the impeachment process and ensuring that the Filipino people receive a fair, complete, and truthful picture of what transpired in the court, no? Yung araw ng paglilitis. So, kailangan tayo ang magbuo ng ating opinion. Wag lamang po natin tingnan kung ano yung nakikita natin sa social media at mahalaga na sa ating pagsubaybay dito may iwasan natin, no, yung pagkalat ng maraming fake news kagaya ng nangyayaring ito na kung saan ay nakikita natin na spliced o hindi kaya ay minanipula, no, yung video na yan na ipinakita, no. Our commitment remains to present the evidence before the court and allow the Filipino people to judge it based on the complete record, hindi ho partial. Yun ho ang ating pagsisikapan na gawin para sa ating mga kababayan. We would also like to ask Senator Judge Pia Cayetano and Senator Judge Alan Cayetano to simply tell the Filipino people, especially those that have seen this spliced video, kung ano yung katotohanan. Dahil nandoon po naman sila sa nung araw na yon, nung habang nagkakaroon ng oral arguments. At alam po nila, dinig nila kung ano yung katotohanan na taliwas o hindi kapareha ng video na kumakalat sa ngayon. So I do hope in the spirit of fairness that the Senator Judge showing their impartiality, sana mabago at makorek po itong videong ito.